Hello there and welcome to UK Lockpickers, and if you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This today is a low security 7-lever safe lock, and what we're going to be using is our ultimate tension tool. Now we call it the ultimate tension tool because it will get tension on many different types of locks. Not only the 7-lever safe lock, but also the Squire 440 and 660, and many other non-pipe padlocks. So just show you it working. So I've just released some of my tension and some of the levers are just dropped back down. I had heavy tension on, so now I am going to have a little bit lighter tension. Let's see how we get on now. Shouldn't be too long from here. I can feel we've got a few levers up now. It's just this first lever keeps springing back down. Nearly there, I can feel it. It wants to go, come on. You can go. Just touch each lever now, see which one's hanging. Come on, which one are you? You're here somewhere. There we go. And we shall just take this apart just in case there is any lever police about who say you've picked that with no levers in it. can see, there's no false gates in this. There's one lever, there's two, there's three, there's four, there's five, and then 6 and 7. And that's the demonstration today for the 7 lever safe lock with our ultimate tension tool. I shall put a link down there, so if you want to buy this tool, just follow the link below and that will take you to our world famous lockpicking shop at UK Lockpickers. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you on the next video.